This video is going to be a demonstration of how the remote desktop works with the Chrome extension. Now, I presume it's all been set up, so you've installed the extension, and there is another video which shows you how to do that, or you can look at the PDF, so see the description for where to access that. So assuming it's all connected, I want to, and I've got put a label on it so you can see the difference. This is computer 2, and I want to control computer 1 and actually open a program that just shows live TV. To do that, I have to have Chrome Desktop, Remote Desktop running on both computers, which it is. Computer 2 is going to be accessing a shared computer, and computer 1 will be doing the sharing. So on computer 1, we're going to share, and that's going to generate an access code. And this computer, computer 2, is going to access it. So computer 1 has generated the code. Now I need to type that code in to computer 2 to actually see the other computer. So let's just pause while I do that. Then once you've typed in the code, connect. So computer number 2 is now trying to access computer number 1's desktop. And it will allow computer 2 to control and access anything on computer 1. And you can see there's computer 2. I'm still on computer 2. This window that I'm floating around is computer 1. There's the actual label to indicate that, with the message your desktop's being currently shared. And I can stop sharing and I want to, but I don't actually want to do anything with Chrome. I want to actually go on to and turn on a TV program. So I've got access to all of the programs here in the dock. I can go into the Finder on computer number 1. I can move it around. I can go and open anything I want. Add applications, download applications, delete. It's wonderful for remote control tech support. Imagine how you could use it for that. But I want to use it to watch TV. There is a program called on here iTV, and that's on a computer in another room in the same house, but in another room, and it is connected to the TV aerial, so I could watch TV while I'm in this room working on this computer. And to do that, I've got control of this desktop. All I have to do is go down here and turn it on. There's the live TV. The sound is going to come through on my computer from the shared one. So the sound will work. It will, I think I've got it turned off on the other one, but it will work. I've turned it off on the other computer, but the sound will work. Everything will work as if you are on that desktop. And I can change the channels, and this is just currently what's on local TV in Melbourne on the 14th of May. And when I'm sick of this, I can just close it down, close down iTV, and now I'm back to whatever is on this desktop. And when I'm tired of it, I just stop sharing. And that will take the connection off and disconnect it, or I can do it from here. Disconnect. And now I'm back to my own computer, computer 2. I have no access. I can do it from the other way. I can, on computer number 1, I can access that computer. So on this one, I'm actually sharing my computer to computer number 1. So I'm going to generate an access code. There's the access code, which I now type into the other computer. So let's type it in, pause while I do that. So that's the code typed in. On the other computer, I'm typing connect. And so computer number 2 is now going to be shared to computer number 1. So it's telling me that I'm sharing it with myself. And on computer number 1, you can come over and look at this one. Let's just hide the dock. Computer number 1 is here, and there's computer number 2's desktop. So I can move that whole window. Everything in this blue here, not the notifications, but everything in that window, I can't get it to move around. I can't get it to move around, but this is all the blue I've just opened the App Store on the other one. Everything here with the blue is the desktop of Computer One. So if this was my mother's computer who lives quite some way away and it wasn't working, I could use Chrome Remote Desktop to go and fix her computer. But I tend to use it just for looking at applications that I haven't got on one computer because they're in different rooms. Or you could use it, say Computer One might be an Apple computer, Computer Two might be a Windows computer, and you can use your Apple computer to control your Windows computer if you need to show some Windows programs to as a presentation. When you finish, you just disconnect. Very, very simple to get working. If you wanted to do something a little more permanently, you could, instead of using this remote assistance here, you could actually access your computer from anywhere. So you could go and use a PIN number to remotely connect to your computer from anywhere.